Hi everyone, my name is Shane Cooper. I'm a member of this group. On several different occasions, members have posted logic games and asked others to diagram them. I responded to several of these posts. As many of you know, my strategy for diagramming is significantly different than others' strategies. And I've had a lot of people recently ask me to explain them my strategy. So I figured it would be easy to make a quick video because a lot of people say logic games is not something you can master. Logic games is not something you can get 23 on a 23 every single time within the time frame. If you do master it, it takes a year or more of intensive studying, and that's just not the case. A lot of people are using strategies which are helpful, but really not foolproof. That you have to do a lot of work when you answer the question, and it leaves a lot of room for mistakes. And that's why people are getting 20, 19, 20, 21 instead of 23 out of 23. That's why they're running out of time. That's why they're redoing it again. It takes too much cognitive effort to do it. But there are strategies out there that make it much easier. If you spend a little bit of time up front doing the work, you have all of the possible combinations. Now granted, there's usually not as many as you would think there would be. You can answer the questions. Each question takes 10 to 15 seconds. So I'm going to pull up a logic game. I'm going to record it, walk you through my process, and time it and see how long that takes. Okay guys, this is quiz 54, section 3, questions 13 through 17. A cake has exactly 6 layers: L, M, O, R, S, V, 6. There's exactly one bottom layer, the first layer, and each succeeding layer from 2nd through 6th completely covers the layers beneath it. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the bottom, this is the top. I don't know how many boards I'm gonna need, but I'm going to draw more than I think I'll need because it's easier to draw more than it is to add on later. I am using a colored pencil. You can use these on the test. Obviously, you can't use them on the answer sheet, but you can use them on the test. I do use them on the test. I recommend using them on the test. You can erase with these. So when I use something in lead pencil and I erase the lead pencil, my colored pencil is still there. It makes it much less confusing. Thinking about rules now, the raspberry layer is neither immediately above or immediately below strawberry. So we have R, S together, that cannot happen, and SR together, that cannot happen. The marzipan layer is immediately above the lemon. So we have LM, those are together, they cannot be separated. The orange layer is above the marzipan layer, but below the strawberry. So those can move. We've got V, which is unaccounted for. What are we doing? We're going L, M, O, S, 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 L, M, O, S. The S and the R can't be next to each other, so this is the V, this is the R. This one doesn't work. This is the R, this is the V, this is the V, this is the R, this is the V, this is the R. This could be the R or the V, the R or the V. This is the V, this is the R, this is the V, this is the R, this is the R or the V, the R or the V. This is the R or the V, this is the R or the V. All of the possible combinations are there, so pay attention. Which one of the following could be an accurate list? Could we have LMO? LMO, LMO, 2 boards where that works. Could we have LMO, SVR? LMO, SVR. Answer is A, we're moving on. If the strawberry layer is not immediately above the orange layer, then which one of the following could be true? So we can't have the strawberry layer immediately above, so we can't have OS. Here we have OS. Here, that's okay. OS, OS, that's okay. OS, OS, OS. So I got 3 boards where that can happen. Then which of the following could be true? The R layer is immediately above the V. So can we have R immediately above the V? Here we have V immediately above R. That's going to be Here we have R separated from B, and here we have R separated from B, so that's a no. The raspberry layer is immediately above the orange. Can we have OR right here? OR, going to take B, we're going to move on. If the strawberry layer is not on the top, okay, so that's this board here, this board here, this board here, 3 boards where the strawberry layer is not on top. Then which of the following is a complete and accurate list of the layers that V could be? Well, we have this board, V is in 5. We have this board, V is in 6. We have this board, V is in 6. So 5 and 6. Answer E is 5 and 6. We're moving on. If the lemon layer is 3rd, which of the following could be true? So we go here. The only board is this one. And the only thing that could be true is R is in 1, R is in 2, V is in 1, V is in 2. We're looking for that. V is in 5th. No. The vanilla layer is immediately above R. Yes, we're moving on. Which of the following could be an accurate list of the 2 lowest layers of the cake listed in order from the bottom up? So we have LM, 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 RL, 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 VL, RV, or VR. So we're looking for any of those combinations. LR, that's a no. VR, that's a yes. So we've got A, B, E, B, B. We're done, and I guarantee you that was under 5 minutes.